Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to see a quick recipe on how to make honey mustard sauce. For this, first we will take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. If you want to learn how to make mayonnaise or mustard paste at home, check out my previous videos. I have linked them in the description below. To this now we will add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything until smooth. We will add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for an extra kick of spice. That's it, our honey mustard sauce is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching.